Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Optavia, a popular diet program that's been making waves on social media. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Optavia, owned by parent company Medifast, is a diet company known for its bars, shakes, snacks, and easy-to-prepare recipes. Their message is simple: learn healthy habits for a healthy life. But is it as effective and healthy as they claim? Let's find out. Optavia relies on meal replacements called fuelings to keep you full throughout the day. These fuelings come in various forms, like bars, shakes, and even brownie and pancake mix. The diet plan recommends eating 6 meals a day, with 1 to 3 being homemade dishes using fresh ingredients. However, the diet's minimal calorie approach may concern some. Clients consume about 800 to 1,100 calories a day, which is far below the recommended intake by health professionals. Always consult with your doctor before starting any diet to ensure you're consuming enough calories for your body. Optavia's fueling products offer a variety of options with high vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and protein content. From bars to shakes, there's a range of flavors to choose from, like peanut butter, s'mores, chocolate mint cookie, and more. During my trial, I tried the bars and shakes. The bars tasted great, similar to the cereal bars I enjoyed as a kid. And with flavors like peanut butter and raisin oat cinnamon, there's something for everyone. The shakes, unlike typical protein shakes, were more enjoyable with a chocolate milk-like taste and less chalkiness. While Optavia has helped some achieve weight loss success, it may not be suitable for everyone. Extreme calorie deficits can have adverse effects on health, such as triggering disordered eating or yo-yo dieting. Always speak with a physician before embarking on any weight loss program. In conclusion, Optavia offers a range of easy-to-prepare products and has garnered attention for its weight loss results. However, the low-calorie approach may not be suitable for everyone, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before getting started. Thanks for joining us on this review of Optavia. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone considering this diet program. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and valuable insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off. Stay healthy and make informed choices.